Good afternoon. My name is Allison McKenzie, and I am the chair of the Historic Conservation Board. I would like to take a minute to remind everyone about the rules of this proceeding. This proceeding is at all times governed by the rules of procedure adopted by the board on September 26, 2011, last amended on March 9th, 2020. A copy of the rules of procedure is available for review in the back of the room and online. All those planning to testify today, which does not include those solely making arguments, such as attorneys, should please stand now and take an oath administered by the board's attorney.
Just raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you shall provide will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Yes. This is a quasi-judicial hearing. As such, the board reserves the right to deliberate in private. The Ohio rules of evidence do not apply to this hearing. However, professional rules of conduct do apply, and candor to the tribunal is required. The board members are citizen volunteers and are not paid for their service. They are treated as public officials under Ohio law. Any attempt to influence them, including but not limited to bribery, intimidation, retaliation, which may include contacting their employer in an attempt to exert influence, is punishable as a crime. All should be aware that this meeting is being recorded. Therefore, before you begin your comments, please state your name and address for the record. With that said, let's proceed with the first item. Okay, I have been informed that these items were not actually meant to be consent items. We can treat them as consent items if we would like, or we can have a case and hear from applicants. Would anyone like to remove these from a consent agenda and hear them individually?
No, I've read through them and I don't think there's a lot of question here.
I didn't have any issues with any of them.
I've also reviewed and not have any issues.
Okay, well, we can take them one at a time as consent items. I would entertain a motion on item number 1.
Madam Chair, I'd like to,
Certificate.
thank you, certificate. Make a motion for certificate of appropriateness for 1937 Auburn Avenue as laid out by staff.
Second.
Ms. Smith-Dobbins?
Yes.
Mr. Sunderman?
Yes.
Mr. Young?
Yes.
The chair votes aye. Item passes. Item number 2, is there a motion?
I'd like,
I'll make a motion that we approve the certificate of appropriateness as laid out by staff.
second.
Ms. Smith-Dobbins?
Yes.
Mr. Sunderman?
Aye.
Mr. Young?
Aye.
The chair votes aye. That item passes. Item number 3, is there a motion?
Madam Chair, I'd like to make a motion to approve the certificate of appropriateness for 1806 Madison Road and with the findings and conditions as laid out by staff.
Second.
Ms. Smith-Dobbins?
Aye.
Mr. Sunderman?
Aye.
Mr. Young?
Aye.
The chair votes aye. Thank you for attending today. Your items have passed. Good luck with your projects.
Thank you very much.
I have a question. So this will turn into a building permit in a week or so?
Mr. Owen, would you like to respond to that question?
Have you submitted a building permit?
Oh, yes.
Okay,
It's already been approved.
okay, so yeah, with the board's approval today, I'll go back into the permit application and I can approve the zoning and the historic on that. So I'll get that in at the end of the day today. And then, the permit will continue on its course. So if everybody else has already reviewed it and signed off, it should be a few days. You'll get a call to pick it up.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we do have some other business today. We have 3 recommendations for a National Register of Historic Places. Is there anything that you'd like to present with these, Mr. Owen, or?
No, there's nothing else that I need to unless the board has any questions or.
Okay, let's take them one at a time. Do we have any questions on item number 1, 506 Oak Street? This would be a motion to provide a letter of recommendation. Is that correct?
Correct.
I'll make a motion to provide a letter of
Recommendation.
recommendation.
Second.
I'll call the roll. Ms. McDobbins?
Aye.
Mr. Sunderman?
Aye.
Mr. Young?
Aye.
The chair votes aye. Okay, letter of recommendation will be provided. Are there questions on item number 2, 310 Race Street? Okay, I would entertain a motion on a letter of recommendation for this item now.
Madam Chair, I'd like to make a motion for letter recommendation for H&S Pogue Service Building at 310 Race Street.
Second.
I'll call the roll. Ms. Smith Dobbins.
Aye.
Mr. Sunderman.
Aye.
Mr. Young.
Aye.
The chair votes aye. Are there questions or comments on item number 3, 2569 to 2573 St. Leo Place? I do always get a little concerned when there's a letter of opposition to designate a building, but I know that we already did a local designation for that building. So with that and in my opinion, clear conformance with the criteria, I have become comfortable with this one as well personally. I would entertain a motion if no one else has any questions or comments.
Madam Chair, I'd like to make a motion that we,
What is the language?
That we provide a letter of recommendation.
for St. Leo the Great Complex.
Second.
I'll call the roll. Ms. Smith Dobbins.
Aye.
Mr. Sunderman.
Aye.
Mr. Young.
Aye.
The chair votes aye. The last item that I have on my agenda is the 2026 hearing calendar approval. Does anyone have any questions or concerns with the presented calendar for next year?
It was pretty consistent. Good work, staff.
If there are none, I will entertain a motion for approval of next year's calendar.
I'd like to make a motion for the approval of next year's calendar.
Second.
Call the roll. Ms. Smith Dobbins.
Aye.
Mr. Sunderman.
Aye.
Mr. Young.
Aye.
The chair votes aye. Are there any other items for discussion today?
No, Madam Chair.
Hearing that, I would entertain a motion regarding adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
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 Okay,
Quick.
that might be the record. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
More than the benefit.
Wait,
Yes, you can just, accidentally do that in the future. I don't know.